Achieving a true Neapolitan bake requires more than just high heat, it requires a specialized thermal environment capable of maintaining 900 degrees Fahrenheit across a 60-second duty cycle. At Wade Media Research, we launched a thermal management audit of the Ooni Karu 12. We analyzed its 430 stainless steel chassis, ceramic fiber insulation, and convective flow dynamics. The Karu 12 utilizes a brushed 430 grade stainless steel shell. We audited the chassis for structural rigidity and metallurgical integrity, ensuring that repeated thermal expansion and contraction don't lead to housing deformation. Consistency is a function of thermal inertia. By utilizing a 15 mm cordierite stone and internal ceramic fiber insulation, the Karu 12 creates a dense heat sink that minimizes temperature drop during high-frequency launches. Airflow is the engine of the oven. The Karu's design utilizes a natural convection vortex, pulling oxygen through the fuel hatch and accelerating hot gases across the ceiling to create the signature flame over radiation. Our audit confirms, the Karu 12 is a high-efficiency thermal module. Whether fueled by wood or gas, its ability to maintain stone saturation makes it a verified asset for the mobile Neapolitan workshop. Don't just bake, engineer the perfect crust. In the workshop of the home, verified airflow is the only way to achieve consistent leopard spotting and a 5-star bake. See the full thermal saturation logs in our 2026 pizza oven rankings at outdoorcookgear.com. Look for the Karu 12 engineering audit.